Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today we have a meditation for hope. And just before I was starting this meditation, I honestly saw that my cat kills a bird. I just saw this dead bird and all the feathers in the whole room, and what sign is this? It's a meditation for hope. And then my cat kills a bird. So that's life, and everything is in a cycle, and we truly should live every moment how we wanna live, to fully embrace it, to be who we wanna be, to feel the hope and the light and the love all around us. It's a game of life, and just enjoy it on the happy side. And for this, I invite you to join me for the meditation. Make it comfortable. Standing, sitting, lying. Choose your position to invite hope. And arrive in the present now in your body. Feel your breath in and out. No need to change anything. Allow yourself to fully be there. Be there for you. If there are still worries coming of the past, of situations, or thoughts about the future, how will it be? I truly invite you to feel in your body right now and to arrive more in yourself. Everything what pops up, it will pop up. Don't worry about it. Let it come. Just be there. Everything is okay how it is. So to invite your body more to arrive in the now, put one hand on your belly and the other hand on your heart, or both on your heart space. Listen to your body. Feel the hands. Can you feel the warmth? If they are still a bit chilly, then just feel that. Allow everything how it is to be. There's no need to change. Surrender. Allow yourself to be. When you fully be, this is the most powerful space, because you are fully present. And in the present, there is the light, there is the hope, and the faith, because you feel it, you believe it. You can feel your hands, you can feel your breath, the air is entering your body. You can feel yourself in the now. And while you're feeling yourself, invite what makes you feel more happy, what brings more love into your life. And don't imagine it in the future. No, it's now. See it, feel it. How does it sense, smell, taste? Embrace it and feel everything what you wanna have. Feel it's already there, right now. How does it feel? Raise your own frequency and feeling your hope is already there. No time for doubt and worry. It's all pure love. Raise your frequency and repeat it in your feelings, in your thoughts, in your pictures as often as I bring you back. What are you feeling right now? Wow! How vibrating is your hope? How big your imagination? How joyful, how blissful. Take a deep inhale and hold on. Hold on, even in the inside, as long as becomes reality. Exhale and feel the vibration into every cell of your body. It's time. When you believe in yourself, in your hope, it will be there. Future is already now. The present, if you can allow in the present to hold the space, you're on one level with what you want to attract. It's one frequency. And the same frequency is just calling the same frequency of people, of situations, of things into your life with ease. So take another deep inhale. Feel your hope. Smile, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Arrive in the space, in the time, in the now. And if you're fully charged and you feel this bliss this meditation was helpful for you to invite more hope and joy into your life, then share it. Share it with your beloved ones. Thank you so much for your time and trust today. I'm so looking forward to meditate with you again. Namaste.